माय चैनल अगेन। सो बाय द टाइटल यू ऑलरेडी नो कि इस वीडियो में आपसे क्या शेयर करने वाली हूँ। सो अ लॉट ऑफ यू हैव बीन रिक्वेस्टिंग मी टू शो माय मेकअप कलेक्शन। सो आज मैं आपसे इस वीडियो में शेयर करने वाली हूँ माय कलर बार हॉल एंड आई लव शॉपिंग। चाहे वो मेकअप शॉपिंग हो चाहे वो क्लोथ शॉपिंग हो, मुझे बहुत 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 ज्यादा पसंद है शॉपिंग करना। So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So before moving on to the products, guys, अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं किसी भी चीज का रिव्यू करूं, do let me know in the comments below. I would love to do it for you guys. So let's get started with the first product. और जो मैं आपको पहली चीज दिखाने वाली हूँ is this Color Bar Primer and this is for 850 rupees. And you are getting how much? Okay, so you are getting 30 ml of product. So guys, which is a really good quantity, like 30 ml product, which is really nice. And I really like this primer a lot. So अगर आपको इसके लिए एक separate review चाहिए, do let me know in the comments below. So ये मैंने 850 rupees का खरीदा है. So let's move on to the next one. जो next चीज मैंने खरीदी थी is this makeup fixer stay the day fixing mist. और ये बहुत 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 ही ज्यादा अच्छा है guys. After makeup I always use this to set my makeup. और ये बहुत ही ज्यादा रिफ्रेशिंग है. So I really like it and this is for 850 rupees again. So अगर आप चाहते हो कोई भी मेकअप मिस्ट खरीदना, you can definitely go and buy this Color Bar mist. So next up I will be sharing a kajal and a liner with you guys. I really like the packaging of this one. And I don't remember how much is this for, but I will try and find the price and leave it on the screen for you guys. And this is a very nice jet black liner. I really like it because इसकी जो टिप है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा पॉइंटेड है, तो आप इसे थिक और थिन लाइनर एंड एक विंग बहुत ही अच्छे से बना सकते हो. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस a lot. तो अगर आपको कोई भी एक अफोर्डेबल लाइनर परचेज करना है, you can definitely go and buy this one. Next up, I'm sharing a Color Bar kajal with you guys. So this is the golden kajal and I really like this a lot. This is very 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 creamy, you guys, and I just swatch it for you on my hand. So I have used it a lot of times and can you guys see this is just one swatch of this and I really love this a lot. So आप इसको as a kajal as a liner दोनों use कर सकते हैं. So I really like it. I'll leave the prices on the screen on the description bar so that if you really want then you can just go and buy it for yourself. Next up, I will be sharing two lipsticks with you guys. So I bought these two lipsticks and this one is a thick crayon lipstick जिसके साथ मुझे sharpness मिले हैं. So अगर आप भी बाय करोगे अपने लिए तो आपको इससे sharpness मिलेंगे and I'll just swatch it for you guys. So this is a nude shade as you can see. I really like it because ये जो single stroke है इसका ये इतना ज़्यादा creamy है. So जो इसका एक ड्रॉबैक है वो ये है कि इसकी जो फ्रेगनेंस है वो मुझे इतनी पसंद नहीं है, बट कलर एंड एवरीथिंग आई रियली लाइक इट बिकॉज एक स्वॉच में इतना अच्छा इसका कलर है एंड दिस इज अ रियली नाइस न्यूड शेड. इफ यू रियली वांट इट देन यू कैन गो एंड बाय बिकॉज इसकी जो फ्रेगनेंस है वो मुझे पर्सनली पसंद नहीं आई, बट आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं एंड डू लेट मी नो कि आपको ये कैसा लगा इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. नेक्स्ट शेड इज अगेन अ न्यूड शेड एंड दिस इज हाउ द पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक. दिस इज अ किस प्रूफ लिप स्टेन 007 हॉट लाटे and the net volume you're getting is 6.5 ml. The best part about this is that everything is mentioned on this sticker right here and I really like the packaging because it's very luxurious and I really like the wand of this because इतने अच्छे से आप इसको ग्लाइड कर सकते हो अपने लिप्स पे. I really like the wand of this so you can see how the applicator looks. So I just watch it for you guys. So अगर आपको इसका कलर बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगे आप इसको अपने लिए परचेज कर सकते हैं. So guys, this is just a single swipe of this and I really like how the color comes out. Like एक swatch में इतना अच्छा color pay off है इसका, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है and this is a matte lipper. So kiss proof lipstick है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. अगर आप किसी पार्टीज में जाने, you can definitely go and buy it for yourself and use it. And ये perfect nude shade है, तो अगर आपको लेना है, you can definitely go and buy this one. I think this is a bit expensive. This is for around 950. I'm not sure about the price. I'll leave it on the screen. नेक्स्ट चीज जो मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ गाइज, आई एम श्योर कि बहुत ज्यादा वर्थ होगा अगर आप ये वीडियो अभी तक देख रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट अप आई विल बी शेयरिंग सम आई पैलेट्स एंड सम आई शैडोज विद यू गाइज जो कि कलर बार से हैं एंड आई एम currently obsessed with them. So I'll just share it with you guys and since starting of the video I'm just waiting to share these products with you guys because ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. So let's not take more time and let's move on to the first palette जो कि मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ. So इसका जो पैकेजिंग है वो मैंने बिल्कुल भी रिमूव नहीं किया है because I like to keep all the packages with myself क्योंकि मुझे अपने पैलेट्स पे स्क्रैचेस बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. So I just try and keep the palettes in their package. So ये जो आई पैलेट है, I just tell you the price of this one first. सो दिस इज फॉर 1350, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी मेंशन है इसके ऊपर. सो गाइस जो प्राइस इसका इज 1350, वो इस पैलेट पे भी मेंशन है और उसके जो कार्डबोर्ड पैकेजिंग है उस पे मेंशन है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पैकेजिंग. बहुत ही ज्यादा रॉयल है क्योंकि ब्लैक कलर है, तो ब्लैक यू कैन नेवर गो रॉन्ग विद ब्लैक. सो बहुत ही ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल पैलेट है एंड the colors are very pigmented. So you are getting this full glass mirror right here, and the shades, you guys, the shades are beautiful, and you're getting a lot of cool shades right here, like blue bhi hai, greens bhi hai, shimmer eyeshadows bhi hai. So these shades are really nice and I really like it. So this shade is personally my favorite right now, like I'm obsessed with this one. So I really like this palette, and if you really want me to create an eye look with this palette, do let me know in the comments below. I would love to do it for you guys. So आप ये अपने लिए बिल्कुल परचेज कर सकते हैं. So with this, let's move on to the next palette. So जो मैं next आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ palette is from their glitter collection, और जो packaging है guys, it's mind blowing. Like they are working so hard on their packaging, and this is the packaging. I really like the packaging. It's very cute box, and this is a magnet box. So I'll just open it for you, and this is a magnet box, you guys. So everything is mentioned on this box itself. This is limited edition, color bar, glitter me all. I'll let you know the price of this one. So on the back, the price is already written. So this is for 2500 rupees. And now let me show you the actual product. And the palette looks amazing, you guys. I really love this palette a lot. So guys, I really like this palette because मैं आपको बताती हूँ क्यों. So can you see this glitter thingy going on? I really like this palette a lot. So you are again getting a full size mirror right here, and बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे shades हैं. आपको यहाँ पे matte shades मिल रहे हैं, glitter shades मिल रहे हैं, और ये some shimmer eyeshadows. This shade is amazing, you guys. I'll just swatch it for you on my hand, and this shade is just bombdegree.com, guys. Like I'll just swatch it for you guys on my hand, and I'll just take one more color. I'll just take a matte shade for you, and I'll take one more shade. I'll take this glitter shade for you. So guys, the color payoff is very nice, and I'll just swatch it for you, and this is how beautiful the shades are. So guys, this shade, the second shade, I really like this a lot because आप इसको आप इस single eyeshadow को भी बहुत अच्छे से use करके and एक eye look create कर सकते हैं. So this is one of my favorite eyeshadow from this palette. So you should definitely go and try this eye palette out. So I'm not sure कि अभी available आपको है या नहीं है palette, because this says that this is a limited edition, but you can just go and search it on their website, Color Bar official website. I'll leave it in the description bar if possible. So just go and check this out, and you should definitely buy this palette. Like this is a must-have palette. So आपकी vanity में भी ना बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful लगेगा. So I really like this palette, and this is a must-try palette. So एक और जो palette है वो highlighter and blush palette है, जो मैं end में आपसे share करने वाली हूँ. But before that, I will share these 3 pigments, eyeshadows with you guys. So the first one I will be sharing with you guys. So this is 1 gram of product, and how much is this for? I'll let you know that too. So this is for 350 rupees, guys. Like जो per eyeshadow है वो 350 cost करता है, और ये ऐसे pot में आता है eyeshadow, and the shade and everything is written right here. So the packaging is quite basic. So the shade is 0004 slush color Cyrus Candy Man eye pigment, and you are getting 1 gram of product. So I'll just swatch it for you. Like guys, this is one of my personal favorite shade from this, and you will like it because ये बहुत beautiful shade है. I'll just swatch it for you right here. So just see how pigmented this is, and see this beautiful shade right here. Next eyeshadow, which is 013 Macaroon, which is mentioned right here on the packaging also. I'll just show you guys the swatches of every eyeshadow pigment so that you can choose for yourself which one to go for. And next up, and you can just use this single shade on your eyelid, which is a really great part about this. So this shade is 013 Macaroon if you want to give it a try. So next shade is 008 Wafer, and I really like it because तीनों जो shades हैं, इसमें बहुत सारे shades आते हैं, but ये जो तीनों shades हैं वो मेरे personal favorite shades हैं. So अगर आपको बहुत जल्दी मेकअप करना है तो I think आप 3 eyeshadows को बहुत easily wear कर सकते हैं. And the next shade is this one. So these were the 3 eyeshadow pigments. Now let's move on to the next palette, limited edition glitter collection. And yeah, so this one is for 1500 rupees, guys. And इसकी भी packaging बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty है. So this comes like this, and everything is mentioned right here at the back. The best part is that you are getting full size mirror with every palette, which is really great. And this is the blush and the highlighter, and I'll just swipe it for you guys. So I'll use this finger for the highlighter and the thumb for the blush. I'll just swatch right here. So this is the blush, which is beautiful shade, and now I'll just swatch the highlighter. Highlighter is, oh my god, can you see? The next product which I bought is this eyebrow pencil, which comes with this spoolie at the back, and you're getting the product right here. So I'll just try and include this product in one of my video where you can just get to know कि ये product कैसा है. This is in brown color. Simple eyebrow pencil है. It's really nice और आप ये try कर सकते हैं. And जब मैंने इतना सब कुछ शॉपिंग किया तो of course complimentary देना तो बनता है. So they gifted me a pouch from Calabar, which I have kept somewhere. I'm not able to find it out. And they gifted me these 3 brushes. So this is a fan brush, a contouring brush, and this is a flat brush. So जो glitter collection उनका launch हुआ था, उन्होंने इनके ग्लिटर ब्रशेस भी लॉन्च किए थे, तो उन्होंने मुझे ये गिफ्ट दिया. So there was some scheme going on कि अगर आप इस अमाउंट तक शॉपिंग कर लेंगे, you will get these brushes. So this brings me to the end of this video. Now I'm done with my haul, you guys. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. So guys, अगर आपके पास इनमें से कोई प्रोडक्ट हो और अगर आप ट्राई कर चुके हो या आपके पास है, या आप इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद में अगर कुछ परचेज करो, do let me know in the comments below. Go and smash that subscribe button because that would mean the absolute world to me, because I'm really working hard to post videos and I'm just trying to be consistent on YouTube. So please just go and hit that subscribe button as well, and just hit that bell notification so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a video. And that's it for this one. I see you in my next one. Till then, you all stay happy, keep smiling, and spread smile near you. Bye guys.